Yes, another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring in the continuing coverage of your 2023-2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Ashes Board 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta. As we are down to the second game of our playoffs. As San Fernando contra MACABEBE Warriors, and you can see here Zany Padilla and the rest of the Fernandino KAYABE basketball team trying to bounce back from their heartbreaking loss. Kakarapat nila itong si Charles Lumo, the unstoppable and all-around guy for the rest of the MACABEBE Warriors. Our game at hand, Fernandino KAYABE kontra MACABEBE Warriors. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalet. Ako po ito ang inyong makakasama. Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is my brother and mentor at the hardcourt, Enzo Galarosa.
Welcome back mga kabalendino after a very hard-fought first game kung saan itong minalig ako sa ating fight another game. Dito naman tayo sa second game. Yun ang gustong gawin din ng mga MACABEBE Warriors dito. And also mahook nila ang four-time matchup nila on Sunday din. Para dito sa planning na home team ng Fernandino KAYABE. They want to end it right now and be the first team to book their ticket to the quarterfinals.
And of course, makakasama rin natin dito ang third member of our panel, MJ Reynolds, our courtside reporter. But before anything else, let's take a look. Nasaan na ba itong dalawang koponan na to sa ating team natin?
Parehong koponan, they have a 5-4 record dito. Fernandino KAYABE, number 3 seed. They have twice to beat the advantage. MACABEBE Warriors, MACABEBE Warriors at number seed. So itong Fernandino KAYABE, like I said, dalawang koponan. There are 4 teams dito. We see the tournament format natin. Top 4 teams in each bracket have a twice to beat advantage. 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, 7. The matchup right now is the 4 versus 4-5 for both of the teams. For both of the 4 teams that will qualify for the quarterfinals. Round 2 crossover sila ng knockout games. 1 versus 4, 1 versus 3, 3 versus 2, and 4 versus 4 and 1. Pagdating natin sa semifinal, semifinal round robin, maglalaban teams to qualify for the best of 3 finals series. The third and fourth team to the round robin semifinals. Magkakaroon ng 1 game knockout for third.
But now, Enzo, let's talk about magiging game story na Fernandino KAYABE at MACABEBE Warriors mo sa Battle Royale.
Yes, perfect. Battle Royale. Anybody's ball game. Laban na to, maglalaban na to. Magkakabiyama itong Fernandino KAYABE. They do have to be advantage. Alam natin, wala going to be fighting sa mindset ng MACABEBE Warriors. Here's their elimination round. Fernandino KAYABE against MACABEBE Warriors. Who's actually the one who's game there on one time in Fernandino past MACABEBE Warriors game in that ball game. Padilla ball game and also ball game si Padayaw. So see how this matchup fares today.
Yes, coming up. Fernandino KAYABE MACABEBE Warriors. Our arena for round ballot for our starters of the game.
Once again, Fernando City, Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And powered by covering sponsor Sinag Liga Ashes. Live action information, public information, FB page and YouTube channel. Our second match for the day is the battle between Fernandino KAYABE and your MACABEBE Warriors. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. For 17, JP Patayaw. Forward number 11, Royal Bayamay. Also forward number 22, JP Padilla. Center number 2, Raymar Gonzal. Head coach for San Fernando City is MJ Magsoto. Assistant coaches Jeff Olalia, RJ Mamulaban, John Kayanan, and Jeff Katakutan. For San your San Fernando City. And now let's meet the starters for your Macabebe Warriors. Point guard number 26, Kenneth Duarte. Shooting guard number 2, James Dunga. Small forward number 22, Charles Dugo. Our forward number 7, Joshua Talavera. And center number 27, Carl Yusey. Head coach for Macabebe Warriors, Jomar Alfonso. Assistant coaches, Raymond Maga, Lester Ramirez, and Chris Yabut. Team manager, Mrs. Randall Usey.